Okay, so I'm just, I have all the pieces together and I'm just going to show you how to assemble the doorknob cover that you can use to put a door opener on. So this is just the foam insulation that is, and it's just, this is, happens to be pipe insulation, and it comes with a, like a it's not completely separated, but an easy split. So you cut it the length of the handle of the doorknob, and then on the door that I use, that my hand touches the most, I actually put this on separately, and I taped it so that it's a little bit tighter fit. So that goes on, but you also need to have the Velcro in that, so that the Velcro, because this is just a spacer, but so the Velcro, this is double-sided Velcro here. And then I just have my tug that is on that. And this one I did not put a snap on, I put a ring on for whatever reason. But that's what, so I take the Velcro and I put that inside the
Spacer foam.
spacer, and I put that around the door, around the doorknob. So my finger's the doorknob, goes like that. And I will slip, you can slip the cover piece over the end of the tug and then slip it up. Harder to do this. And then
Up where it can be seen. Yeah.
where it can be seen. So you and I just dropped the piece. There it is. Okay. So you have this on the door and you want to just put the tug through the cover and bring the cover over the doorknob. And then the Velcro can just be secured around the post of the doorknob. Does that make sense?
Where it attaches to the door.
Where it attaches to the door. And so this will secure the tug so that the tug doesn't get pulled out, and then this piece here keeps the lever in play. So, and my dog is barking.
Did that make sense, Julie?
Go ahead. Kinda, you're recording this, right?
Yes, you can watch it
So
again.
we're gonna watch it and do step by step with the stuff, whatever you're using right now.
Perfect.
Okay, so yeah,
Or
we
if
have
you
all that.
have it handy and you want to do it, we'll wait for you and do it again.
Yeah. If you
Okay.
want to, if you want to put it on
What?
and then show us, that's fine too.
Okay, that'll work. What door are we doing this on? That one, okay. Okay, will you show me again step by step here? Because I was gonna watch the recorded video.
Okay.
I
So-
started coffee and missed bits and pieces, and
So Kelly, what you
now I
want
have all the material right here. Kelly's gonna do it while you're.
you want to take the foam piece and you want to, I like to secure it to the door, and it's best to do that with the Velcro already in place, and then just tape it. So if my finger's the door lever, you just put that in like that, and the Velcro, the tug, if it's
Okay, hold on, you're going too fast. Is
now,
this the phone?
Yep.
I can't.
I would back up and make sure her tug is on your Velcro first.
Yeah.
You know
I-
what? I don't have.
I don't
phone.
have any foam here.
Julie should have foam.
Yeah, evidently the phone is not in the bag with the other stuff.
Okay, so if that's the case, I will get you some more. But so I would secure the foam with the tape on the door handle. And with the Velcro already through it, and then put the Velcro around it. It's easiest if you already have the tug in place, and then you just slip the cover over the door handle portion of it.
Okay. Yeah, I think the foam fell out of the bag.
Okay,
Um,
have barking going on here.
because I remember you giving me a piece, but
I will
it's
find.
not with all of the other supplies, so
All right, I will
it
get
must have fallen
And
out.
that's a punched up, so I can't really.
Right.
I can't really do nothing about it.
Right.
So the foam, in case I don't see you for a while, Julie, but hopefully we will soon. The foam is just pipe insulation.
Okay.
And it's available fairly inexpensively at like Lowe's and Home Depot
Any
and
hardware store.
hardware
Yeah.
store.
Well, I'm getting a bunch of pieces for pipes and stuff for my garden, so I
Okay,
could just place an order for some of that too, because then I could make a few more.
Is there a certain size?
Oh yeah, what size?
I think it's 3/4 of an inch.
Hmm.
But the thing is, you can cut it, if you end up getting it a little bit
Really?
big, you can always
Do you
cut
really
it.
have to go potty, or are you just telling me? I don't gotta go potty.
Of course.
You can go out with him, make sure he actually goes.
Yeah, that foam insulation either comes in like a 5 foot or 6 foot
Yeah,
piece,
you
and
get-
then you
you get
can
a
just
pretty
cut
good-
it the size of your doorknob.
Okay,
If you go Tuesday, I'll see if I can bring some, and if not, if we're, because I think we're talking about meeting at Lowe's on Tuesday. We could always,
okay. That stuff I'm getting for the garden, I'm putting together a big frame to attach cloth to. Did he
Uh-huh.
go?
yes, he did.
Okay, good boy. Kelly, you and Will doing the garden Tuesday?
Wednesday or
Wednesday.
Thursday? Wednesday or Thursday?
Okay, so Tuesday, could we change our time a little earlier and do the training with Cindy?
Yep.
Okay, Cindy, we'll meet you at Lowe's then.
Lowe's in Clovis. Kelly, it's the Lowe's on Shaw and
Okay,
Clovis
fine.
Avenue in Clovis.
Okay,
Sean Clovis Ave on Lowe's? Oh, Lowe's, yes, okay, yeah, I know that, I know
Yeah.
where it's at.
okay. At what time did you say?
Let's do it, if we can, if you're okay, let's do it at 10 because it's just been too freaking hot.
Yeah, too hot, yeah.
So I'll be here by now.
I actually would use another word. to
May
describe it.
15th.
Okay.
Okay, that'll work.
Penny has us rated other than
What?